Most men miss when girls are using body language to show attraction. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone in the dating scene: understanding women's body language signals of attraction. So in this video, we are going to break down the body language signs that girls use to show they are attracted to you. Signs that most guys actually overlook. From the way she looks at you to the unconscious gestures that speak louder than words. You will learn to read these signals like a pro, and by the end of this video, you will be more equipped to spot those often missed signs of attraction. Let's jump right in. Quick grooming gestures. When a woman is attracted to you, she may unconsciously engage in quick grooming gestures. This might involve smoothing her hair, adjusting her clothing, or even checking her reflection in a mirror. Now, these actions are not just about ensuring she looks her best, they are also a subtle way of drawing your attention to her. Now, when you notice her making these quick grooming gestures, it's often because your presence has heightened her self-awareness and desire to be noticed by you. A slight lip pout. A slight lip pout or a gentle biting of her lip can be a strong indicator of attraction. This gesture is often subconscious and can be a sign of flirtation. It's a non-verbal cue that she might be thinking about intimacy or trying to appear more alluring to you. While this action can be brief and, let me tell you, easy to miss, it's usually a clear sign of her interest and can attempt to convey a sense of allure. Holding objects close to her chest. When a woman holds objects like a book, a purse, or a drink close to her chest, especially in your presence, it can be a protective gesture that signals interest. Now, this body language can indicate that she is slightly nervous but interested, creating a barrier with the object while also keeping it close to a vulnerable area. It's a way of maintaining a sense of security while also being open to interaction with you. Crossing and then uncrossing legs. Frequently changing leg positions such as crossing and uncrossing legs while sitting near you can be a sign of nervousness and attraction. This body language might indicate she's trying to get comfortable or is feeling restless because of her attraction to you. It's also a subtle way of drawing attention to her legs, which can be an appeal to your visual senses. Now, this behavior often reflects an inner conflict of attraction and the desire to appear poised. Touching her neck or the collarbone. A woman touching her neck or collarbone in your presence can be a significant indicator of attraction. The neck is a vulnerable area and sensitive, and drawing attention to it could be a subconscious act of flirtation. This gesture might involve her lightly tracing her fingers along her neck or simply adjusting her necklace. It's a way of displaying openness and can be an invitation for you to gaze to follow the movement, creating a moment of intimate connection. Fluttering eyelashes. Increased blinking or fluttering her eyelashes more than usual during a conversation with you is often a sign of attraction. This gesture can make her eyes appear larger and more expressive, which is a common flirting technique. Fluttering eyelashes can also be a sign of nervous excitement in your presence. It's a subtle cue but can convey a lot about her feelings towards you if you are attentive to these small changes in her behavior. Fleeting touches. Fleeting touches are a classic sign of attraction that is often actually missed. Now, these brief, almost accidental touches might occur more frequently with you than with others. For instance, she might lightly brush your hand while handing over something or just gently touching your arm to emphasize a point during conversation. These touches, although seemingly insignificant, are intimate gestures that indicate a desire for closer physical proximity and connection. Using her fingers to stroke objects. When a woman subconsciously strokes an object like a glass or a pen whilst talking to you, well, it can be a sign of underlying sexual tension. This action can be an unconscious way of releasing nervous energy or an indirect method of showing sensuality. It's a subtle behavior nonetheless, but it can be quite telling, especially if accompanied by other signs of attraction. Now, the way that she handles objects during your interactions might mirror how she desires to interact with you on a more intimate level. Intentionally dropping something. One of the more subtle cues that can be easily overlooked is when a woman intentionally drops something near you. This may seem accidental, but it can be a strategic move to create an opportunity for interaction. By dropping an item, she invites you into her space and opens the door for a moment of personal connection. Whether it's a pen, a piece of paper, a scarf, or the act of just bending down to pick it up, well, it's a signal for you to engage, to offer help, and thus to initiate a conversation. Sideways glances, especially when accompanied by a soft smile or a subtle blush, are a clear sign of attraction. When a woman looks at you from the corner of her eye, it can indicate she's interested but may be too shy or cautious to hold direct eye contact. These glances are often quick but frequent, and if you catch her looking, she might quickly just turn away again. It's a playful way of showing interest without being overtly forwards. Foot tapping. Foot tapping can be a physical manifestation of nervous excitement in your presence. It's a rhythmic motion that might happen subconsciously when she's around you. Now, this sign can be overlooked because it's not directly related to more obvious gestures like eye contact or touching. However, if you notice her foot tapping more rapidly while talking to you or when you are near, it might be a sign of her inner excitement or anticipation. Arching her back. When a woman subtly arches her back to accentuate her figure, it can be a strong signal of attraction, especially if she's aware that you are watching. Now, this posture can make her appear more physically alluring and is often an instinctive action when someone is attracted to another person. Now, the arching of the back can be seen as a way to draw attention to her body in a way that's suggestive without being overtly sexual. It's a physical cue that, when noticed in conjunction with other signs of attraction, can really indicate her interest in you. Sitting on the edge of her seat. When a woman sits on the edge of her seat while talking to you, it's a sign that she is fully engaged in the interaction and wants to be physically closer. Now, this posture indicates a keen interest in that conversation and a desire to be nearer to you. It's a subtle but telling sign that she might be attracted to you. Unlike leaning back, which can signal disinterest or a casual attitude, sitting forwards on her seat shows that she is invested in the interaction and eager to be a part of it. Warm, prolonged handshakes. A handshake might seem like a standard form of greeting, right? But it can also convey deeper feelings. If she holds your hand a little bit longer than necessary during a handshake, could be a sign of attraction. A warm, lingering handshake suggests a desire to maintain physical contact with you. It's more personal and intimate than a quick, formal handshake, and it can indicate she's comfortable with you and interested in deepening the connection. Showing her palms while talking. When a woman shows her palms while speaking to you, it's a gesture of openness and honesty. It's a body language cue that often goes unnoticed but can be significant. Exposed palms are a sign of sincerity and vulnerability, suggesting she's been open and transparent in her communication with you. It's a non-verbal way of saying that she has nothing to hide and is comfortable in your presence. Tucking hair behind her ear while looking at you. Now, a woman tucking her hair behind her ear whilst looking at you is a classic flirtatious gesture. It's a way of subtly drawing attention to her face and can be an indication that she really does care about how she appears to you. This action might also be a subconscious way of exposing her neck, a vulnerable part of the body, indicating trust and attraction. It's a simple yet intimate gesture that can signal her interest and desire to be noticed by you. Rubbing her wrist or the forearm. When a woman rubs her wrist or forearm, it's a self-soothing gesture that signals nervousness or excitement, particularly in social settings. This action might indicate that she's feeling a rush of emotions in your presence and is trying to calm herself. It can be a response to the heightened adrenaline associated with attraction. This subtle gesture is often overlooked, but can be a significant indicator of her emotional state and interest level in you. Pointing her knee or her toes at you. Body orientation in social situations can reveal a lot about a person's interests and attractions. Even when a woman is engaged in conversation with others, if her knee or her toes consistently point towards you, it's a sign that she is subconsciously orienting herself in the situation. This can indicate that her attention is focused solely on you, even if she's not directly interacting with you. Her body language is aligning with her interest, making you that focal point of her attraction. Subtle flushing or glowing. Now, a slight flush or glow to a woman's cheeks in your presence can be a physical reaction to attraction. This change in complexion is often due to an increased heart rate and blood flow, a natural response to excitement or emotional arousal. It's a classic sign of physical attraction and can be especially noticeable if it occurs consistently in your company. Now, this involuntary reaction is a genuine indicator of her feelings towards you, one that can't easily be controlled or disguised. Body language decoded? Here's what's next. Discover these sexual hints from women in conversation or learn how girls want you to playfully tease them for effective flirting strategies. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share your views down below and subscribe for more.